today is the Neosurf Cup, and we're going to be playing against Misfits. So hopefully we can bring home the win. No other kind of sponsors even do these kind of stuff, and I think it's really awesome that Neosurf Cup is really doing this.
Neosurf is simple, safe and secure. You can go to your local shop and get a voucher code and use it online, preferably to buy League of Legends skins.
This is the first time that professional top-tier League of Legends has been on UK soil since 2015, which is pretty exciting for the fans.
Actually, I think interacting with the fans will probably be the best part.
Hopefully it's a 5-game series.
It never is.
Excel take the 4th game, and we will be having game 5.